Okay, today we're going to do our first bee inspection, our hive inspection. And I don't know if you can see me, but I'm wearing the full gear today. They're going to be aggressive. They're going to, this is their home now, so they're going to be trying to defend this. I'm going to adjust the camera and we're going to do this. I got a smoker ready to go. Hive tool right here. Well, we'll take another look at that once we get in. Samson's pretty excited. I think the suit's confusing him. This suit itself. Now the bees have found me now. Starting to check me out. Alright. Let's put a little smoke. Okay, we're going to take this off. We're going to use these top boxes to hold the frame for us. And let's get this out of the way so we don't break it. Well, we got a few dead bees in there. I'm sure we stressed a few out. Okay, when I lift this, we're going to have all kinds of activity. Yeah, they've used up some of that. I see honeycomb already. Okay. You ready? Because here we go. Oh boy. Oh, there's a lot of honeycomb. Hey, this ain't too bad. It's not bad at all. Alright, let's check this queen deal out. She's out. There's bees in there, but it's not her. They're making honeycomb. I don't see any honey yet. I'll look for her, but I don't know. Oh, there she is. We have the queen. Let's put it right back in. Okay. Well, take out another frame. Okay, we saw the queen. I didn't show it to you because I got excited. I wanted it right back in the hive. As you can see, we're looking pretty healthy here. Let's gently put these guys here to hold them. That'll give us a little room to work. We got a little honeycomb started. Hey, you know what? There's not much for dead bees in there. Not much at all. So I really don't know how much further I really need to look at anything here. Probably should take this out. Whoops, sorry girls. And just a whisk of more smoke. Are you guys seeing this okay? I should probably take a peek. Oh yeah, you're right on it. Yep. Okay, I would say that we're looking pretty good here. We did see our queen, and I did forget the patties. I gotta take a walk down a bit. Well, I want to tell you, I don't have a problem with this at all. This is just downright awesome. These are pollen patties. I got these from Dedance, however you say it. And I think they call it an AP23 or something like that. So now, oh, the frames are supposed to go back in the same place. Gentle. Boy. Kind of hard to do. Gentle. Well, I think that went okay. Let's put one there and one there. Everything looks good. There weren't many dead bees at the bottom, so my install was pretty good. I thought it was a little rough, but apparently it wasn't. Now I'm going to try to get those off of that peel right there. Try to clean this out while we're here. Hold that. You probably can't see this. I'm playing with the entrance feeder. And maybe I should have flipped that. I don't know. You see this? Yeah, it looks like rust. That appears to still be working fine. Oh, we got a moment. Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Good girls. Well, I don't know. We saw the queen. Yeah, we did. I saw her anyway. I don't think you did. Hey, this ain't nothing, huh? Alright, now, girls, I want to squish it in place. These are my new babies. Chickens are being quiet. Made a lot of noise during the install, didn't they? Okay, yeah. Hey, watch out. Okay, that's the inspection of the rostrum hive. You see comb being built, no honey or anything yet. I'm worried about these guys. I guess I should have a bee brush or maybe one of them chicken feathers. I just piss them off. Whoop! That didn't go too good. Supposed to try to be gentle here. Oh, they're away from the edges. Get that right on. There we go. Feeders in, we gave them some patties. Okay. Well, the queen is good. That's the main deal here with this first inspect. We see a little comb being built. I got bees all around me, but there's no consequence. Okay, I'm going to shut you off and move you guys. We're going to do the second hive. Here we go.